And the market today was really kind of look out below. The S&P back in correction territory after tariff news, heightened risk of global trade war. We're now at its lowest level since before the election, and this is the S&P's worst day in 2.5 years, since September of 2022. Dow's down about 3%, the Nasdaq about 4.5%, and a whopping 6-to-1 decline advance. Hardest hit areas today, shares of multinational companies like Apple, Nike, tech and financials also hit. Goldman Sachs down 8%, JP Morgan 6%, Morgan Stanley 8%. And as stocks tumbled, bonds have rallied, with the 10-year dropping about 15 basis points today to nearly just about 4%. And the dollar slammed also down to about 101.5. Earlier this morning, weekly jobless claims dipped to 219,000. That's down from 225 last week. But continuing claims, they rose by 56,000, over 1.9 million. That's the highest level since November of 2021. And all eyes will be on tomorrow morning's March employment data. ES option data, yesterday's combined ES futures and options volume, nearly 10 million contracts. It's more than that today. Today's expiring 5,400 strike puts, very high volume, and tomorrow's 5,400 strike puts, also huge volume, almost 20,000 of those. Huge put spread earlier today. The June 3,400, 3,000 put spread traded 2,500 times for about $3, and ES implied volatility now about 30%. Bitcoin's down about 6%, along with the rest of the equity markets, a low of about 81,500. Micro Bitcoin futures volume about 70,000. And CME news, beginning June 30th, the CME is launching spot quoted futures, including the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, Russell, BTC, and ETH.